Hello there, back here for another video, and this time I wanted to show you how I ended up getting this thing started. Quite involved. It wasn't too bad once I figured out what's wrong with it, but it can be a struggle once you figure out the right thing. So stay tuned in this video. I'll let you know how I did that.
Our kitty litter is not working.
So the biggest reason my car wasn't starting is because this is the body control module right here. As you can see right there, it's cracked. So I went and I bought a new body control module, which I installed in the car, which then allowed all of the lights, hazard lights, interior lights, and everything like that to work. The only downside of that was body control module, ECU, and the key are all tied together. So I'll show you next what I was getting once I installed the new body control module. Once I installed the new body control module, I was getting, and it's not gonna do it, this. Basically it comes up and says you press the clutch and the start button, it'll start the car, but it will not get out of lock. And basically it said it had no key, and that was because the key was not being recognized by the car. So what I had done is I hired a locksmith. He came out, reprogrammed the key to the car, and now the car starts beautifully. So that's what I did to get this car started, and I'll give you an example of what it should do here in a second. So now with the key in the car, you'll still get your clutch and start, but when you do that, actually it should allow you to cycle through accessory and then to on, and all your gauges should come on. And then if you press the clutch, the car should fire up. So that's what it should do when the key is correctly paired with the body. I'll show you one other mod that I did that will also help you in the future. So the last thing I did is I came over here to this fuse panel, which is very easily accessed right now. I found the power steering lock fuse, which the steering lock is the device underneath the column that is notorious on these cars for going bad and disabling the car. Which what I thought was the problem with this car, or the initial problem with this car. So I came in here, and as you can see, I went ahead and just pulled that fuse out. So now I know that the car will consistently start for me in the future. So that's just a few things you could do to a 350Z to get it started, and some of the common issues with it. The fuses are not normal. You see that's a teeny tiny little fuse, and that's what you have to take out of this fuse panel. You can just use a pair of needle nose pliers and it pulls right out, nice and easy. So, but anyway, that's what I did to get my car started, and hopefully it's a help to someone out there. I know I was struggling trying to find this. I was reading forums and everything else I could find on this car trying to get it started. Once I figured it out, it was a very simple process and everything. But the biggest thing I learned is that the key, the body control module, ECU, probably other stuff too, but those are the three main things I saw. are all tied together and have to talk together for the car to function normally. So, also as a quick PS, this 350Z, I had a chance to drive it on the roads. Oh man, this is probably one of the most funnest cars I've ever driven in my life. My brother's Ford Fiesta ST was up there. This car, even just being naturally aspirated, whew, it's a lot of fun. So I cannot wait to autocross this thing and see what it does. So that's just for me, just an amateur driver, but I had a bunch of fun just test driving this car, and I can't wait to start really really getting into it and see what it can do. So but anyway, that was a quick PS, just whatever. Oh, one more thing, if you're wondering what this is, fuel system cleaner, oil filter, and I'm planning to do both of those on it once I refill the gas and get some Redline oil in. But if anybody was wondering, this is the part number for the 350Z Mobile One oil filter. So M1 108A. So for what it's worth. Anyway, until next video, peace out, and we'll see you next time.